Fitting O-rings into grooves is not always straightforward. Both these O-rings are identical. They have a developed length of 650mm. They are made from silver-plated aluminium in silicon, so it's an electrically conductive gasket for RFI EMI shielding. I'm wearing cotton gloves so as to not contaminate the silver. When fitting conductive O-rings, gloves should always be worn. You can also wear sulfur-free rubber gloves. This is the wrong way of fitting a gasket. This is a common complaint where the gasket is pushed into the groove with your thumb or finger, so you're chasing the gasket around the groove, and as you do this you're gradually stretching the gasket, and when you get to the end you'll find you have a loop of material and you think the O-ring is too long. We'll get rid of that one, and this is the identical other gasket, and the way to fit it is just by gently pressing the gasket into the groove. Don't chase it round, so the gasket remains relaxed. It will take a little bit longer, but the end result will be perfect. So just gently push the gasket in to the groove. Don't force it in. And then we have a perfect fit, as you can see.